Nicodemus 2 in the building. Let me see what they. I'm gonna catch up with you. Let me see what this old mobile. What y'all think about this right here, man? Pipes back there. Man, they're trying to get somewhere. Look like he spilled a little gas. It look like he spilled a little gas, y'all. Huh? Yeah, it look good. It look good. Milton here. Milton back there. Hey. I think I'm gonna have to go and go get me a drink, man. Try to keep warm, man. What's up, G Warrior 1971? Hey. Oh, I forgot I ain't on YouTube. They don't care about that music that much. They don't care about that music that much. Yeah, I think I'm finna go get me a drink. What y'all think, man? What y'all think about a lookout right about now? Man. Hey, how you doing in there? You alright? I'm doing pretty good. I'm just looking. Alrighty guys, we're looking at a small block Ford here with dual injectors, port, 4-inch tunnel with the high Ram Pro Charger kit, vacuum, double fuel pump, relocation coil assembly, differential brake with the fuel cell external, with the rollover vent and the fuel return, Avco racing shocks, double adjustable. Yeah, you got everything. What's the temperature over here? I don't know. Hey, set it up to where can we set it up to where we can check the temperature over here, Team Thundercock? How cold it is too, because it's cold. Oh, 49. Dang. Definitely had a good takeoff. This takeoff is fool. That thing leaving hard. That thing got a good takeoff.
Yeah, well, that's only the second run.
Oh, okay.
He has a Camaro that he runs most of the time.
Oh, that mud took out pretty good, man. Yeah, it's 49 over here, man. I think one of my ear codes. My right ear code. Oh, look out. Alrighty guys, here comes that Pro Charge Mustang with a dual injector.